Top 20 WordPress Email Marketing Plugins. Email marketing is a tested and proven marketing strategy that has stood out throughout the years and is still just as relevant. But to be a successful email marketer, you need access to all the best email marketing software and tools. In this video, we will tell you about the best WordPress email marketing plugins that are going to help you in increasing email subscribers. But before we will tell you about all this, you have to hit the subscribe and like button and share the video with your friends as well. Let's get into the details now. The first email marketing plugin that we're going to talk about is the Bloom Optin plugin. ElegantThemes, the most popular theme platform, is formed by Bloom. It is the most feature-rich WordPress email marketing plugin. This modern and responsive plugin is definitely something that is going to increase your email subscription list. Bloom claims to convert your website's visitors into loyal followers. It provides a large sum of email subscribers for powerful engagement, highly targeted content that allows you to target or exclude specific articles and pages, as well as display custom forms and offers based on visitor location and engagement. You also get elegant design options with over 100 amazing templates. Not only this, you can pick from 6 different display sites and automatic pop-ups and fly-in triggers. Isn't that great? Thrive Leads. Thrive Leads is another amazing platform that allows you to create a discrete sort of opt-in form by simply dragging and dropping elements into place, resulting in a magnificent design. This plugin enables you to display relevant and high-quality targeted information based on the content type of your posts and pages. Not only this, it also provides a number of options to show your form as per your requirement, like stickbar. You get pre-built templates to use for the site and the authority to customize them according to your style without any coding skills. You will also be able to carry out A/B testing. Optin Monster. Optin Monster is light and user-friendly. It replaces the old-school annoying pop-ups with amazing opt-in pop-ups. You can choose from a variety of opt-in types and easily adjust the form's design and feel to meet your needs. It will make it very simple for any WordPress user to construct a gorgeous opt-in in a matter of minutes. You also get the option of A and B testing in Optin Monster. The page-level targeting feature helps in maximizing conversions, and the built-in analytics to analyze insights and conversion rates are certainly the star of the show. WP Notification Bar Pro. WP Notification Bar Pro is a great plugin developed by My Theme Shop. It is one of the most comprehensive solutions for any form of promotion activity, as well as an email subscription bar. With this plugin, you get unlimited notification bars, multiple notification types, 18 social services, custom HTML support, multiple color schemes, and more. After activation, in the WordPress admin, you'll find the option to set up the so-called notification bar. It will function as a custom post type, and you will be able to customize the features of the bars as well as the type of admin bar from a range of options such as button, text, countdown timer, and more. Sumo List Builder 3. Sumo List Builder 3 takes the game to another level by converting one-time visitors into potential customers and subscribers. It will help create enticing pop-ups to attract more and more visitors to your website. These pop-ups will appear on clicks, timers, and other events on your site, encouraging visitors to remain longer. The drag-and-drop interface will let you create and modify pop-ups with zero coding involved. The color, font size, button size, everything can be customized. A and B testing, mobile compatibility, pre-designed templates are some noteworthy features. Optin Forms. A proper and professional website is the basis of a web business, but features like web hosting solution, selection of the right theme, WordPress installation process, etc. need to be considered before launching the site. And to improve the business visibility, you need a strong email list. Optin Forms helps you with all that and more. It is easy to use, and you get high conversions along with increased sales with just a bit of effort. To quickly establish a solid email list, simply include Optin Forms on your web pages. You may also incorporate Optin Forms into your web pages to grow your email list exponentially. Leadpages. Leadpages is one of the best tools available in the market. It will produce leads and sales for your business on the web, in emails, text messaging, and social media, as the name implies. The conversion rates will also increase highly with the beautiful pop-ups along with sign-up forms. There's also a free trial for 14 days. This plugin provides access to an unlimited number of mobile responsive landing page templates that operate with a variety of devices and screens. The drag-and-drop functionality as well as the optimization tools offer the best possible experience when developing pop-ups and opt-in forms. Ninjakick. Ninjakick is another list-building plugin that adds the subscription forms to your site with the push animation or sliding effects. You will get 4 stunning templates to instantly create responsive opt-in forms. The best aspect? You can quickly include an icon or any link into your popular blog post to allow visitors to effortlessly navigate to your subscription forms. Ninjakick is an idea to boost up the email marketing strategies for businesses. Subscribe Pro. This plugin is from My Themes shop. Having all the features of a high-quality plugin, it is a good fit. You get an easy subscription management, comprehensive payment gateway support, high security and PCI compliance, and much more. You may entirely change the pop-up form style by simply adding your own color and text. There are stunning pop-up animations. It provides you with a variety of trigger possibilities such as exit intent, after a certain amount of time, etc. You also get the option of simply displaying your email forms. Using the WordPress widget section, you can display it in the sidebar. Are you enjoying the video? Which email plugin have you found to be the most interesting? Tell us in the comments. And keep watching to find out some interesting information. Ninja Pop-ups for WordPress. Ninja Pop-ups makes use of professionally designed pop-ups for converting visitors into potential customers and followers that take action according to your CTAs. Ninja Pop-ups for WordPress works with all major marketing platforms, including MailChimp, GetResponse, Infusionsoft, Jetpack, ConvertKit, and many others. By using their API, you can gain fully compatibility across pop-up plugins and mailing systems. This powerful pop-up plugin generates high-quality leads and increases the number of people that sign up for your mailing list. And that's a wrap for today. We hope you had fun watching the video. Before you leave, do not forget to smash all the icons and support us. See you soon with more amazing content. Until then, take care.